Although IELTS listening module has been comparatively easier when you compare it with reading part or the writing part, but I have seen recently that ignoring it can prove you costly, and sometimes you might miss the bus by just 0.5, right? So what I'm going to do with these videos here, I'm going to make you aware about the hidden danger of the listening part. Hello friends, my name is Shanta Kumar and I'm a Cambridge certified English language trainer. I have been teaching IELTS for about 10 to 12 years now. So my experiences and tips and tricks will certainly help you. Not only this, let me show you, I have written a book as well on IELTS. As you can see, IELTS Super Success. And let me tell you that this book went on to become #1 bestseller on Amazon. You can see, you can check the logo as well, right? So what I mean to say that you are in safe hands. And the formula what I have been using on the students has been immensely successful. So now let me explain why these tips and tricks will help you, or how will these tips and tricks help you. Well, there are 2 and 3 points that I'm going to discuss. Number 1, I have devised these all tips and tricks based on my experience with the students. So because it has been successful with the students, it will certainly be successful with you as well. Secondly, I'm not just going to teach you the tips and techniques and that's all. I will show you live on the screen. I will play the audio. I will show you the question. I will show you how the tips are applied to find the answer. So that will help you live and the formula will be in your mind. It will stick to your mind. And finally, I have taken only one type of question in a particular video. So for example, if I have taken sentence completion, I have taken only sentence completion in a particular video so that all the tips and tricks do not get mixed up in your mind, right? So you can see, considering all these factors, these videos are going to help you immensely in your test, right? So I am quite confident that if you watch all this video attentively, that's important, seriously, and you will watch each tips and technique carefully, and then you will use it during your practice, you will definitely achieve the desired band skill in your test, right? That's all from this video. I hope you will like my video and I wish you'd get the desired band skill in your test. All the best for the test.